Check in my people there for the ends, you know. Say yeah, cook up a pot. Cardwell, where you cook up?
You know, say some swim around soup, because we don't deal with fish, you know. Because we take a oat like Rocky Pine to kill every fish. So swim around and kung soup, you see it? That they are to them, man.
Word, boss, why pray?
Why pray?
One ATM boss, what is it, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yes.
One chase life like TV, man.
I'm the only one I repeating. Why go on?
I know what I got. Yo, man, them a talk about he soup not up on the fire. Then see boss, you can't get your fire away or something. What go on, father?
You tell people that real way not going.
Beer, you're not falling people as you can see what I do fully wet, you know. So, we there still, boss, you go and catch up the fire. So we're going to put on a pot of soup and we're going to show you how to go on. You know. We're outside, you know. In the tropics, you know what go already?
Yeah, man.
It's a vibes. Always, don't it?
It is a vibe. It's the vibes.
Alright, so stay tuned. Watch how I go on. Yo. Lolo, how are you? J-Bud.
Cook a pot of water, you know. Man, I piss in a pot. One pot of water we are cooking, eh? What I use? Yo! It's 2 pot already. I use one little cup and a try fully pot, man. I wonder when in the market. Yeah, full of it with the wood.
Yo.
Too much water you want.
Copyright this one.
Where's my girl? I show them how to cook.
Foley was no, foley, yeah. That's it.
Your foot dirty. Car door.
Banners. Baddest food channel in the world, you know. A chase lifestyle, none. No boy test. With the world greatest chef.
I know those food they deal everything. We outside.
Yeah.
Open the pot, then see half gallon of water. 10 gallon of water. People, want to see that pot later? Beautiful. We just there going all our vibes, man. In the afternoon, I will cook up some fish and kung soup. Trying for the back card, I go breed something later on after I drink this soup. Where's my father?
You mean?
Something I get breed?
Iron box soup, you know.
And we put a look on it. Boy, slimy later. But alright, my people, look at I mash up a East Indian one going fresh, you know, just pick off a tree, you know.
Yeah, man, we have everything here.
Tell them, what is it?
Everything we have, mango to plum.
Yeah, man, see plum tree there, my people. We just mash up some plum liquor, but never catch a part. But
That one, you don't ready yet.
stay tuned and watch how I go, my people.
That one, you're soya now, man.
Don't listen to him in the world, boss. You ready?
East Indian, you know, my people.
Solid, ripe. Green on the outside, ripe on the inside, you know. What am I say? What am I talking?
Fully active.
Fully active.
Best mango in Jamaica, right, Lolo?
Yeah, man. It's a number level.
You can what?
Number level.
Alright, I go disagree on it. This and Julie.
Which Julie? Julie mango number like this one. Like number level, brother. Jesse, you don't want the mango too? So what's the difference?
Active.
Yeah, man, my people, you man, get in it, you know?
Mango nice and sweet, my people.
Once in a lifetime, you get to do anything, you know? Artificial mango, you buy for it.
I don't buy mango for it. Around 2 years, I have me eat a mango. Fresh. Just pick. Nice.
Real boss, what you say about it? So mix it with liquor rum now.
It's a rum mango. Rum East Indian.
Yo, it turned up because when I was a kid, this bring me back and that.
Yeah, man.
God, this is the real mango. You pick it off the tree. That's it.
Jesse, what kind of mango that you had?
This East Indian.
What?
Yeah, but East Indian. Start at over. This is Julie.
What you say you had?
Julie mango.
Julie.
Second best mango.
How Julie taste?
I second best mango.
When you
So
say you do
East
Julie,
Indian,
How
East
Julie
Indian
taste?
first, and then Julie.
How Julie taste?
Sweet.
How you say Julie? Girl, I don't hear what say.
yeah, what you say? Him not here, what you are saying? So you say Julie, Chu.
So if you look going down here, people.
Are
Fully
you
body
eating
really
Julie
enjoy
or
that one.
boss? Are you eating Julie?
Are you say I eat Julie? Me not eat no Julie. Yeah.
Yeah, man, people, so outside today, cook a rain pot. Yeah, man. Be a mango on the tree, man. Yeah.
Mango.
This is the great ironback.
Take advantage of the old.
Say, I'm going to cook a iron soup in idea.
Don't tell him to be
You know, Saudi,
now find them mango in America.
Yeah, enjoy that one, the door.
Fuck you.
But I eat the seed in our boss.
You know, young ball. Leave that. Yeah. You over there say I name Julie all day on camera.
Which one you get, Julie?
He might have Julie on camera. He say my name Julie.
I love,
no, you have to go look and see what I'm going.
I love Julie. I love Julie. It is as
I don't know what that tell you.
I thought punky and man and
See, there people, you know, left you know. Man, say you have to shock when you are cooking and so. That is it.
Crazy.
Mango fully active, my people.
No, Julie can't do.
Yo, yeah, a floating bar, even my cup around around.
My cup, that's not something where you know.
Oh yeah.
My cup that.
Oh yeah.
Can I put it there? I don't lie, I see you sting with the phone.
A floating bar.
But I just tell you my cup, so I know where you put your cup. You see that water there? And me put it there with that cup.
Long time ago.
Let's go look for your cup and allow me, man. Let's have peel up some food. Check in for him while I go on. One foot high, where are you?
there, man, you know. I peel up your food kind of, man, now to get ready for your soup. You want to say some swim around soup. Because we don't deal with fish. We take our wood to kill every fish. So swim around and conch, you see?
right now.
I just want to
With
make
some okra and them little stuff. Eh?
Don't tell him.
What is that, man?
Hi, how are you?
That's true, because we say some shot in tomorrow.
Why pray? How you generally do you know?
Conky night, pumpkin Irish night. This are the dashing and the yam are the you know.
Bomba, toy patas team, we can't even see shit, fams.
See it there?
Yeah, man, they call this ironback.
It's a name the breeder soup.
Tough
The man no get no baby come here so come drink one.
So look like around 300 million baby, right?
Where's the card?
Yo,
And the man no get no baby come and come drink one.
Where's it? I 4 picnic I drop after you drink this soup tonight.
No, it's a triplet, 3.
Judge youth. Alright, when you bring out the fish, make us see what I want. I don't just conquer going at them people. Fish are going at it too. Three are going to back. What kind of fish you get, card one?
Wenchman and doctor.
Yeah, Wensman and Doctor. Doctor real soup fish, you know, people. So I don't know. Breeder soup. Strong up back.
Link up. Chase lifestyle, isn't it?
Nah, man. Chase lifestyle every time. Remember, my people, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. Outside, I do the right thing. always, you don't know. In the islands where we born and grow.
Red fire underneath it right now. Fire blazing.
Pataguan, you know, man. And nothing normal, you know, my people.
You see more rainfall upon it, fire thick.
Fire red, you know.
Fish, yeah.
Yeah, man, power you can go in there.
When you have all the fish. What else you can see?
Which song that? Which DJ dance song? Friends, today release brother 12 o'clock today, bro. No, brother, man, remember say, dog now go promote him, man. We just drop his song, you see me? When you dog post, remember say that song they will go up with video, brother. Remember say a video them they will go up with. What that? Yeah, man, I'm fine, fine. No, but me I say a video we are going to shot fish. Because I put fish in the pot, man. What kind of 4 fish you want to cook it?
You help me debone them.
Put fish in there, man. Wait a minute, you know. Why, are you? Put them in 2 lines.
No, man, left them at 2, man. Them at 2 I can't fry or something, man.
Yeah, brother, you know, I go post here, brother. That's a video I'm going to post. So, any video post, then, right? But you might go, in good post, you say, oh, no, isn't it? Yeah. No, we just see you call her. This is the first call, Mr. Bowen. Oh, me, alright. I'm here.
Yeah, man. We about to scald the fish them, to debone them, to put them in the soup and see there. Good old wenchman and doctor, man. Yeah, man. It's a breeder soup, you know. You see it? Conch and fish. Good old wenchman. Good old doctor. Yeah, man. Chase Lifestyle TV, man. That's where you find the best chef them.
Never fail.
Never fail.
Active
Never
my
sell
people, we're outside.
And we are showing you why Chase Lifestyle are the #1 cooking channel. No matter the amount of rum where you see them beat, food ever come to perfect. Roll out the back and we can take 2 shots. Roll out the buckle. Jar for the buckle. Jar for the buckle and the cup. What the cup then?
Jar for the buckle and the cup, Mr.
Oh, me have a cup.
Well, you miss my cup then, and my cup pour already.
Industrial film cup, you know.
Pana, some more today.
Yeah, I know we are going too bad because it's a buckle down.
Alright, look. See the Chase Lifestyle TV, man. One dirty money check in, you know, no badness paid down. Body chef on the planet. One dirty money, man. Yo, me boss.
Yo, you want to take a camera?
We a cup.
Camera, man.
Your bomb buckler, mom,
That's
don't
it,
do the camera.
works.
Son, take a shot at me now, yeah.
Mom's just sober, so tell mom's just turn off it.
Alright.
Yeah, man, this is called the debone.
Tell him what you have to call him.
Yeah, me a debone the fish. Yeah, so it look like when a debone it.
What kind of fish this?
It's a fish a wench, man. Yeah. So you take him off like this. Then you go like this, take out the bone them. Break him, see if you find a bone. No, you don't find a bone, so piece of debone, just drop him over here.
Alright.
Yeah. So this is called the debone fish.
So then we're going to soup, right?
Right in our soup.
Alright, stay tuned, people.
So, one dirty foot, what you do now?
One Chase Lifestyle TV, man.
Oh, yeah.
So some spinners we are put in our soup.
Which is right.
Any man no get no pitney, just come duck up and drink good soup. Steven can make one later, you see it? That's what I
That's
bring.
the youth. People see it there. What kind of fish in the Dr. and Wench one?
Dr. Wench, man. Good old conch.
No, not normal, no people. One foot of hype lifestyle I give you.
One
The
cheers
real
lifestyle,
Kong
man.
soup.
Catch me tomorrow, man.
In a real life. Where's the real boss? How's soup going?
Turn up, man.
Say my girl.
Yep, 100.
Fully active.
Kung soup ball.
Come can you fish body in the soup and fever.
One. The people, the pepper and turn up, you know, you see.
Hot.
We have to drop an extra pepper on the top still, you see there? I say Shane Brown, soup active. Or you can taste out soup, man. How you cut up there? Yeah, man. But alright, people. Stay tuned. I'm going to end that one right so. Tomorrow I get the next one.